Hello! In the first two videos of the series, we built a MACD indicator. In this video, we'll get ready to test it. To do that, we have to set up the data mining task that will run the bot instance. So let's get on with it. We're going to go to the network hierarchy, create a new task manager under the exchange of choice, and name it after our data mine. Instead of creating the whole structure of nodes from scratch, we'll clone some other task and reuse the structure. This saves us some of the work. We'll rename the task and bot instance, but the most important modification we need to make to the clone task is to remove the references to the original processes and reference our processes instead. If we try to run the task at this point, it will of course let us know that we need to run the data dependency as well. Otherwise, it will keep waiting for candles volumes. So let's run the sensor bot and candles volumes too. That's it. Both processes are running. Multi-period market finished calculating already, so we might as well go and check the market files while we wait for multi-period daily to do its job. I'll open the 24 hours file as it is smaller. Everything seems okay at a glance. Let's check the 12 hours file too. Good. So far all seems to be correct. We can check some of the daily files even if the process hasn't reached the 100% mark. Let's open one of the 1-minute files. Awesome, everything looks good too. So it seems we did a good job so far. We will know for sure only when we can visualize the data over the charts. To do that, we'll need to build a plotter, which we'll do in the next video. But before we go there, I want to show you how to troubleshoot issues in case something goes wrong with the data building. I'll stop the tasks and delete the supermine folder to run some new tests. What would happen, for instance, if we didn't initialize the variables to a valid number? Let's find out. I'll delete the procedure initialization and run the task again. Multi-period market is done. Let's go and check the files. And that's it. We get not a number as a result. Let's revert the changes and try something else. Now, what if we had a syntax error in the code? Let's say I remove the function's closing curly bracket. Let's run the task again and see. The task stopped abruptly. That certainly means something went wrong. Let's take a look at the console. Indeed, there is an error. Data building procedure, loop, error executing user code, syntax error, unexpected end of input. In case you find it hard to read the console, or in case too many things are happening there, you may always revert to the log files corresponding to your specific bot. There it is, the complete error message for you to analyze. Let's try something else. Let's say we're attempting to use a variable that hasn't been declared. For instance, I'll comment this line and run the task again. Execution stops again. Let's go straight to the logs. Error. Data building procedure, loop, error executing user code. Reference error, candle is not defined. And if you keep reading, you will find this statement. Anonymous 1835. Anonymous means that the error is in your code, and the first number, 18, is the precise number of the line in which the error occurred. Okay, let's try something at the level of the process definition. Let's say you forget to define the output dataset for the multi-period market process. I'll detach the node to simulate just that. Let's run the data mining task again and see what happens. The multi-period daily process is showing progress. The multi-period market process seems to be running too. Let's go and check the data files. Oops, only multi-period daily is building the dataset. Let's check the logs and see if there are any errors for the multi-period market process. Oh, the multi-period market process is not even saving logs. These are the kind of symptoms you will find when there is something wrong with the process definitions. What you need to do in such cases is going through the process definition step by step, checking references, and making sure each node is properly defined and configured. Let's try one more thing. How about we forget to establish our main data dependency? Let's see what happens. Processes are running and multi-period market stops. Let's check the logs. That's it. Error. Start, process, timeframes, periods loop body, dependency loop body, get file, error type, cannot read property, reference parent of undefined. So that means that the data dependency has no reference. Okay, I hope that's enough information on troubleshooting a new indicator. As you see, logs are your friends. See you in the next video.